from OG Creations, Geode, and happy St. Patrick's Day. A few weeks ago, a new customer reached out looking for a hoodie and jogger set. We discussed colors and quickly landed on a neon rainbow palette. Since it was raining nonstop, I wanted to use my favorite rain dye method. Needless to say, I couldn't wait to get started and decided to capture the process and share it with you all. Start with a Cotton Heritage 100% cotton unisex premium jogger and a 100% cotton-faced unisex premium pullover hoodie, both in white. Over the course of 3.5 hours, I used the Geode technique to gather the material in small sections, securing it with a rubber band, moving down an inch or so, and securing it again. I repeat it over and over and over and over and over again until my eyes were crossed, and I swear I heard the cries of a banshee outside. I soak both in a soda ash bath for about 25 minutes and then set it aside for 24 hours until they were just damp. neon rainbow gradient, I apply hot hibiscus, watermelon, lemon yellow, bright green, turquoise, and ultraviolet, and then top with a layer of soda ash. To be completely saturated, I flip each over and apply the powders using the same pattern and top with more soda ash. are then taken outside and left for 24 hours as the heavens opened up and drenched them. They are then brought inside and left in a 70-degree space for another 24 hours. Time to rinse, first in cold water, then in the laundry using a cold water cycle, and then a hot water cycle. They are dried completely. I was so damn excited with how these turned out, I just made myself a pair of the joggers. So bright and so colorful. I love how you get that rain puddle feeling from the Geode pattern. Here's to a very lucky St. Paddy's Day for you all. May your pockets be heavy and your hearts be light. If I had 2 wishes, they would be for you all to find your pot of gold today, and for you to take a minute to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section what you would like to see created next.